Submitting documents to PayPal for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your documents are submitted correctly. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Access your PayPal account by entering your email and password on the PayPal website or app. Make sure you are using the account that requires document submission. Step 2. Navigate to the Resolution Center. Once logged in, locate the Help or Resolution Center option in the menu. This section is where you can manage any issues related to your account, including document submissions. Step 3. Review document requests. In the Resolution Center, look for any notifications or requests for documents. PayPal will specify which documents are needed for your account approval, such as identification or proof of address. Step 4. Prepare your documents. Gather the required documents as specified by PayPal. Ensure they are clear, legible, and in an acceptable format such as PDF or JPEG. Common documents include a government-issued ID and a recent utility bill. Step 5. Upload your documents. Return to the Resolution Center and follow the prompts to upload your documents. Make sure to double-check that you have uploaded the correct files before submitting. After submission, you should receive a confirmation. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates from PayPal regarding your account approval status.